Danielle, thank you. The South Carolina Attorney General's office is firing back at Alex Murdaugh's claims he did not get a fair trial and he should be allowed back in court. News 3's Andrew Davis has followed this case from the beginning. Andrew is joining us now with more on both sides' arguments.
184 pages. That's how long the response was from the Attorney General Alan Wilson to the claim that Alex Murdaugh deserves another day in court. It offers 9 different reasons the convicted double murderer should stay in state prison. The defense so far is focused on Colleton County Clerk Becky Hill and that she tainted the jury with comments that Alex Murdaugh's testimony was, quote, fleeting and foolish. The AG's office denies Hill said anything that would have changed the jury's verdict. And while she does face criminal charges of her own for her conduct in office, she is not so far accused of jury tampering. Murdaugh also has a series of issues with Judge Clifton Newman's rulings, including allowing testimony about Murdaugh's financial crimes, which he pleaded guilty to in federal court, into that murder trial. Wilson says the judge has the discretion to allow testimony just like that. And it goes back to their theory that Murdaugh actually murdered his wife Maggie and son Paul because his financial schemes were about to be revealed due to a boat crash that killed Mallory Beach. Paul was charged in that crash, and discovery in that case was due just days before the killing. Alex Murdaugh right now remains in a South Carolina state prison serving 2 life sentences. He's also been sentenced to 40 years in federal prison for a series of financial crimes. Now, the state Supreme Court hasn't set a date to hear that murder conviction appeal yet. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3 on your side.